Check us out for a bit of old tool nostalgia. An old Hilti DX E72 cap gun. You don't see too many of these floating about now, and you probably won't see many more, especially in this condition. Look at this thing. Brand new in the box, never been used. Never shot a single nail, and more than likely never will. The DX72 from 1992. 33 years old this thing, and it's never been used. But sadly, it's that old now, you can't even get cartridges for it now. So this thing's never going to be used. And I mean brand new in the box. This thing's never once been taken out. Look. Don't know how somebody managed this. This would have been an expensive tool on its day. Still has the wee rag for cleaning the tool. Wire brush, never been rubbed. And the wee pokey for clearing the hole. Even the brush is still moulded to the slot of the box. Brand new in the box, never been used. Let's get a little look at it. This here is a single shot cartridge nail gun for shooting into steel or concrete. Takes one nail and one blank cartridge. Put the cartridge in, your nail in, plunge it down, pull the trigger, and it fires the nail. Very good, cool, and very effective. Bit slow by the today's standard, but done the job. Pull the whole chamber forward. Expose the little hole for putting your cap into. Stick your cap in there. Drop your nail on that side. Simply push, pull the trigger, and it shoots the nail. Very cool tool, but these caps you don't get anymore. There's the pin still inside. Still nice and clean, jet black, never been fired. Yeah, even the tipler, it's never even had a nail. Heavy duty construction, these things, these are built to last, but they only last as long as the caps are available. And these are gone. Wee button here for dropping in and out. Drops on, locks. To take it out, push the button, give it a little pull. Buttons just comes out again then, it stops it from coming the full way out. So you can just load your cap from this side, push it back in, and you're ready to fire. If you want to take it out completely, just hold it in for longer until it gets past this little ridge. Very cool tool, easy to operate, very effective, but no more caps available now. Well, the Hilti caps are all collated like this. A little single blank bullet basically, a little bit of gunpowder inside. But these ones are just too big. They won't fit in. So they're just not going to work for this thing. The old spit ones, or the new spit ones, are on a metal plated ring. They're a lot thinner gauge, but they're actually stuck into this disc. So it's hard to get them out without setting them off. Nails aren't a problem. You could probably get a nail to sit. These are spit nails. They normally had a little plastic ring at the front to stabilise it. You just drop that on, push it down, and the cap would fire the nail. But obviously now, it ain't going to do that. That's her. Old, brand new Hilti DX E72 single shot cap gun. Brand new in the box, and it's going to stay brand new in the box because you can't get the caps for it anymore, so there's no way to fire it. But still a nice looking gun, mind you.